This is Joe. He can draw. Oh boy, I don't know about these drawings, but he definitely can animate. Today, WMA dives into the world of idols. John's gonna animate one idol and use the same animation to create 12 unique idols. How the hell's he gonna do that? You're about to find out.
It's time to let John show us how it's done. Let's do this. Select your character. The blocks Jessica selected. Select your style. Default selected. Select your mode. 3ds Max. The blocks body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are now available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. The blocks are simple to use, easy to customize, and most importantly, super fun to animate. Visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the blocks complete 12 character set now.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the show. We are animating the Jessica rig today, and as usual, the Jordan idol is loaded up. Now, let's start by reposing her. I'm going to quickly block in a pose to get a feel for it. Now, I'm not entirely sure about the direction I'm going with this, so sometimes it's good to take a halfway approach just to see if it's worth exploring further. Didn't quite vibe with the first pose, so let's try this again. This time, let's capture Jessica's 20s. I'm thinking social butterfly personality type. Those are the keywords I'm going to use. Now, crossing the legs adds that touch of her entertaining spirit, if you will. This pose feels more like her. It's definitely an improvement, and I'm kind of liking where this is going. So let's continue. All right, I think we're in a good position now with this pose. Definitely an improvement over the initial pose. So it's time to refine her performance as she sways from left to right. Now, I'm imagining her stepping onto a stage and expressing gratitude to the crowd for attending her show. That's the idea that's coming to mind as I'm freestyling this. So let's go with it and improve this performance further. On stage, Jessica's graciously thanking her audience, so let's add a touch of charm by having her right arm blow kisses to the crowd. It fits perfectly with the timing and the posing that we have. And you know, sometimes the best approach to creating a fun and organic performance is to let the animation guide you. That's exactly what we did here. We did what felt most natural and we just went with it, and it's definitely coming along. All right, let's double down on the charm with Jessica blowing kisses in both directions. Now, reusing existing animation is always fun when possible, and this is the perfect animation to do that with. I remember my art teacher once saying repetition leads to integration, and you know, by having her left arm doing the same thing with a slight offset, it does create consistency in her performance. We are making some good progress, and now it's time to level up this performance. Now, the head movement is key to expressing Jessica's emotions, so we'll make it snappy and expressive. Moving up to her torso as she sways from side to side, we'll add a touch of squash and stretch for that extra flair and dynamic appeal. You know, everyone knows that a little squash and stretch does the body good. All right, we did it. Into the final pass we go, making some subtle body tweaks to fine-tune the performance. Now, Jessica's show was a smash hit. She received a standing ovation from the crowd, and there she was blowing kisses on the stage to express her gratitude for their support. And with that, this concludes the magical transformation from a Jordan idol into a brand new Jessica idol. Seven idols completed, 5 more to go as we continue this series, reusing Jordan's idol and magically transforming it into brand new idols. If you're enjoying the content on my channel and you want to show your support, you can share this video on your social media. You can give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Your support is greatly appreciated and really makes a huge difference. The blocks, body mechanic rigs made simple and fun, are available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. They are wonderful for helping you improve your body mechanic skills. Super easy to use, super easy to customize, and super fun to animate. You can visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the Blocks Complete 12 character set. My name is Jonathan Abbenheim. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.